Hi everyone, welcome to Zynerd's NEET PG 2022 information series. In this video, we'll be looking at who is non-local, who is local as far as Telangana government quota is concerned, and what sets of seats each of these candidates are eligible for. In our earlier videos, we looked at the seats and the basic eligibility criteria. Telangana has two sets of seats, which is private, three sets of seats, government medical colleges and NIMS of surrender 50%, and then you have private medical colleges surrendering 50% to state government quota. Now, who is local or non-local in Telangana? So we split it into two parts. One is whether the candidate is local or non-local, and second, whether the seats are local or unreserved seats. So note the distinction. Candidates are categorized as local or non-local, while seats are categorized as local and unreserved. So we'll look at which set of candidates are categorized as what region local as far as Telangana is concerned. Any candidate who is an MBBS from a district in Telangana, so irrespective of where you got your university degree certificate from, if your institute is in Telangana, then you come under the OU region, and irrespective of domicile, you become OU local. You can be from another state too, but you can apply as OU local for Telangana. And similarly, if you are an MBBS from AU region of Andhra Pradesh, irrespective of domicile, you will come under AU local. The list of the institutes will also be available in the portal, or we will be sharing it as a separate one in this video as well. And then you have candidates who are MBBS from SPU region, who irrespective of domicile will come under SPU local. So we will look at the seats that are available under each of these regions. AU local, we have the list of seats here. SBU local, you have the list of seats here. Any institute under Telangana, if you did your MBBS from any institute, you come under the OU local category. Now, only one institute has a distinct universal reference. Siddhartha Medical College, Vijayawada. If you have done your MBBS from Siddhartha Medical College, Vijayawada, then the local status depends upon where you did your 6th to 12th from. If you have done your 6th to 12th from an AU local district, then you are AU local. If you have done your 6th to 12th from an OU local district, then you are OU local. Similarly, if you have done your 6th to 12th from SBU local, then your SVU local. This is only for Siddhartha, those who passed MBBS from Siddhartha Medical College, Vijayawada. So by now, if you are an MBBS from AP or Telangana, with this categorization, you would know whether you are OU local, AU local, SVU local, or SVU local. Now, all of these candidates are eligible for Telangana government quota. What are the seats that are they are eligible for? We'll come to at a later point in time. Finally, we'll look at non-local. Any candidate who belongs to, who is a domicile of, who belongs to any one of these criteria, usually a domicile of AP or Telangana, those who have resided in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana for 10 years, or whose parents have resided for 10 years, or your spouse is, you or your spouse or parent is an employee of government entities or PSUs or local bodies, universities, etc. Or if your husband is a local and you fall under any one of these local, then you are eligible as non-local. Or if your wife is a local, then you are eligible as non-local. So non-local candidates could be under any one of these categories, and they will be eligible for non-local categorization in Telangana government quota. So very clearly, mostly it will be domiciles of Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, or those who are employed in Telangana, or those whose spouses are local candidates as mentioned in this table. Now, all of these candidates are eligible for seats for Telangana government quota, but the set of seats that they are eligible for may vary. In Telangana, the seats are split as, in all the OU local institutes, the seats are split as 85% OU local and 15% unreserved seats. So all the MBBS institute seats under Telangana, whatever is available under government quota, is split as 85% of OU local seats and 15% unreserved seats. Now, who is eligible for 85% OU local seats? Only OU local candidates are eligible for 85% of OU local seats. What are AU local candidates eligible for? They are eligible for 15% unreserved seats in all institutes. What are SVU local candidates eligible for? They are eligible for 15% unreserved seats in all institutes. They are not eligible for any local seats because no local seats exist, AU or SVU local seats exist in Telangana. What are Siddhartha Medical College MBBS candidates eligible for? Depending upon whether they fall under AU local, OU local or SVU local, they are eligible for respective seats. If they fall under OU local alone, then they are eligible for 85% of OU local seats. Else they are eligible only for 15% unreserved seats. What are non-local candidates eligible for? They are eligible for 15% unreserved seats in all institutes. So fundamentally, eligibility for Telangana, everyone is eligible. Seats are split as 85% OU local and 15% unreserved. Everybody who is eligible, local or non-local, is eligible for 15% unreserved seats. OU local alone are eligible for 85% OU local seats. So this is the categorization of seats, and this is the eligibility as far as OU local categorization of seats and eligibility as far as OU local non-local candidates are concerned. Hope this is very clear. The only thing that you need to remember is everyone is eligible for 15% unreserved seats. OU local candidates alone are eligible for 85% of seats, which are under OU local in any institute in Telangana under the government quota. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope this clarifies the confusion on local, non-local, and local and unreserved seats. Have a look at the other videos where we'll explain on the application process, the certificates required, reservation, etc. Thank you so much for watching.